I'm Colin with Clean Air Comfort Systems, and today I want to let you know about the Fireplace services we offer. So at Clean Air Comfort Systems, we can help you select and install the fireplace of your choice, and we can help you service that fireplace on an annual basis. And also, if you have any problems with your fireplace, we do 24/7 emergency service. We offer 4 types of fireplaces: built-in fireplaces, inserts, gas logs, and stoves. For each one of these 4 types of fireplaces, you can have 4 different fuel types. You can have natural gas, propane, pellet, and wood. So when you choose any type of fireplace, we are going to help you install the gas line to it, as well as the exhaust system or the chimney, depending on the type of fireplace that you choose. When you choose a fireplace, here are some of the accessories that people like to consider for their new fireplace. You can get different types of surrounds. You can get different types of screens, different types of logs, different burner configurations with different size and shapes on the flame. You can get a different background. You can get a blower, a remote control, or a wall thermostat. Oftentimes people ask us, what is the best fuel for their home? We are more than happy to give you those answers and walk you through the process to select the best option for your home. For more information, please give us a call at 360-398-9400 or visit our website, cleanaircomfortsystems.com.